Alright, what's good, y'all? We're back again with another vlog. It's your boy, fucking Mad Dragon. Name's still a work in progress. We're working on it, but it's not even the point of this video. Right now, we are about to go see Lil Yachty. That's right, the boat, my favorite rapper. I just finished getting my hair done, and we're about to go see Lil Yachty at the pizzeria. We'll see if we can get him to sign my shirt.
This portion of programming brought to you by the 6-inch sub of the day.
So right now I'm in a lift. We're gonna be on the way. So we're gonna get a nice little intro for y'all, let y'all know what the video is gonna be about today. And we're definitely gonna hop right in it for you guys. So when I get there, I'll probably shoot a little. My friend is coming check us, so he'll be doing most of the filming. But I'll let you guys meet Jicka when we get there. So yeah, and we'll be right back. I got you guys when I get there. See you soon. Alright, what's good? As you can see, we made it to Lil Yachty's pizzeria. So hopefully we'll go in there, we'll be able to see Yachty, to see if we can get him to sign my shirt. Really want to see if we can get him to sign my shirt. Here on the line, actually give us this pretty cool pamphlet. Yeah, so don't know what I'm gonna cop. I think I might just go for one of these two tees. Maybe the long sleeve. I don't know, it depends how I'm feeling. Been out here for a little while, nothing bad though. Really excited to see Lil Yachty, my favorite rapper. So yeah, take a look at the line. I mean, we're pretty close to the front, so hopefully it's not. Actually, what time is it? It's 12:07. Yachty should be here anytime soon. So we'll definitely make sure we get that. We'll definitely have some pictures coming with Yachty very soon. It's not the first time I actually met him. I met him before at Kid once. So make sure I show you guys the picture. Oh, you guys right now. International? New Jersey. They don't look, they're not looking right. Alright, you like to focus?
You can't see, you can't sunlight, that's why.
Yeah, so I'll probably drop that at some point in the video. I'll probably just drop it in the video because the glare is pretty strong. See if I can get a video of that for you guys later. But yeah, we've been online. Still don't know what I should cop. I'm definitely gonna hit the Off-White store later, so more in store for today. Instead of Lil Yachty, we're going to Off-White. See what we're gonna cop and see what we're gonna drop. So that'll definitely be there. A shout out to the cameraman Jackie for sure. Thank Jackie for coming through. Jackie, you wanna say hi?
Nah.
Alright, you just I guess Jackie doesn't like you. I don't know what his beef is. It's already past 12, so don't know where he is yet, but we're still waiting. I know he'll be here. Can't wait. Just got out the Lil Yachty store. We copped up a tee, a nice long sleeve, something nice for you guys. We were gonna get green, because green was exclusive to the store.
Hold. We should go outside of the line and just jump in.
No, we're just gonna walk through.
Nah, we're gonna jump in. That's mad fast.
But if we jump in, they might see us and say something. So we'll just walk through. I'll show you the tee when I get home tonight, along with the shit that I'm gonna cop at Off-White. So we'll definitely have that for you in this video. And you can see some people cop green tees. I wasn't a big fan of it. Well, all I know is I wanted green, so I got green. Coming on 2 hours. Yachty said he's gonna be here soon. He said it on his Instagram. So right now we're waiting. This line got huge. I will wait. This line is huge, but it's all worth it because it's Yachty. The motherfucking boat-tastic.
No, I saw this like nigga walked in, did some retarded that shit, and walked out.
Sign my shit.
He didn't cop no sneakers.
Then we're gonna get around to my collection. But we're waiting for that.
I got you, bro. Nigga dip.
That's it. I might cop another shirt when I get in there. It depends
Bro,
on
it was so like
It's gonna be sold out. It's gonna be sold out.
He said the green was exclusive, so I might have to get right with the green. But I don't know.
I got PayPal.
I'll see. It's a 2-hour mark. Still no sign of Yachty. Except for when we was waiting for that. Been out here for a while. Actually had to pee in a bottle. Things are getting rough out here. It's getting real savage out here. Might revert to cannibalism. Might eat one of the people to my left hand or right. Discriminate. They all look pretty tasty at this point. We might go grab a slice from Lil Yachty's pizzeria after we see him. But until then, we're just gonna stay here. Until we see Yachty, food is overrated. But so we're definitely waiting.
Everybody that was in my class,
let me see Yachty. You guys obviously are not gonna wait with me. Just be here. Wait, Kodi? No.
Oh.
Could it be? Shit. Roll down the window. Check it, zoom in.
How you zoom? Huh? How you zoom? This?
God, you're shitty at this. You gotta focus.
Oh.
This one is for focus, this one is this one.
Yep, I pulled up right in front.
Yachty is here. Yachty is here. That's right, we're about to win. We're gonna bring this content for you. You know we're gonna bring that HQC high quality content. We're gonna be having that HQC coming soon. We should be in there soon. We're about front 20, so that should be coming very soon. Coming back at you with the HQC. That's right. I know it was kind of blurry at first. I was excited. I was moving too fast. But Yachty is here. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna bring you some content. Coming to you soon with that HQC high quality content. Speak with the HQC in the comment section below. Make sure. Definitely gonna get in there and get some high quality content coming for you soon.
Boat.
Oh, we finally got close.
I'm on the snap. I'm on the snap, bro.
Yo, pass me the shoe, bro.
Shine the headphones.
Yo, do you sign the shoe? Yo, can I get the
Yo, we lit.
bro?
Yo, we lit.
Hey, yeah, take a picture. Wait, get him now.
I'm gonna ask him. Yachty.
Just got my shirt signed by Yachty. He signed 2 shirts. We got one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but I'll have a better video for you later. And he actually signed my.
He signed that shirt?
Right here at the neck. So you already know you gotta spam up the fucking boat in the comment section. Yeah, you definitely gotta sign. Spam up the boat in the comment section, man. You know I always come to y'all with that HQC, that high quality content. We'll be back with more views. You can see them right now. That's the boat-tastic. That's the boat-tastic. The boatist man with 2 legs. The boat-tastical goodness. Lil Yachty. Guys, Kodi just pulled up. We're gonna see if we can get her signature on the T2. We'll see what we can do. Kodi is right there.
I got everyone.
Shit, yo, why is everyone getting in the way all of a sudden? That's right, Kodi is right there. She's even more gorgeous in person. Yo, check her, watch out. Put your arm down, please.
Another one.
Why not you? Kodi's out there.
Shit for you now. You disrespected it.
Yo!
Julian, hold my shit up. Julian, hold my shit up.
Sign my Supreme shirt.
Hey, John, come through, John.
Bro, I'm right here, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Julian, hold my shit up.
I can't. I'm getting squished too.
Kodi.
Like, look at me.
Yo, Julian, hold my shit up.
Yo, Kodi, I know you get the drip from your wall.
Hey.
Hey guys, I'm back. It was a real fight with the Lil Yachty thing. It was real hard, but as you can see, it all paid off. Got my BOGO sign. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll definitely have it available later for you guys to see. Also got this shirt signed by Lil Yachty and Kodi Shane. So that's a W in itself. We might do a giveaway sometime later down the line for this team when we get some more subscribers. But we'll see what's in the future. But right now I'm headed to the Off-White store looking to cop something. So I will actually have that in the same video because I told you guys I was gonna go. But once I get home, that's when I'll release. We'll go over, talk about it, and we'll have a nice recap for what we did today. Alright, see you soon. Guys, at first I just want to apologize that this wasn't the same day. My camera had died the day I went to go see Lil Yachty. So I have to film the content on a later day. But it's okay. Watch the get back. I still have this for you guys. So we did go see Lil Yachty, and I was able to snag me a nice little shirt from the pizzeria. It has the Yachty's Pizzeria, hot and fresh. Your boy Little Boat, the most boat-tastic there has or ever will be. And on the back, it says Lil Yachty's Pizza. Call it any time. Call 1-833 Lil Boat. So definitely make sure you call 1-833 Lil Boat, because it's Lil Boat. Like, his diamonds go bling bling blow if you didn't know that. But yes, so on the back, we have Kodi Shane's signature. I hope you guys can see that nice. Kodi Shane was able to sign it, so that's a plus. But on the front, we have Burberry Perry and Little Boat right here near this. So this is just a beautiful piece of clothing. Definitely. Let's get into the back. Yes, it is just a beautiful piece of clothing. Definitely. So we'll set that here. And over here, we actually were able to get Lil Yachty to sign my Supreme CDG BOGO. So this is a big plus. Big plus. This is one of my favorite shirts, and now we got Lil Yachty to sign it, making it just about the most priceless shirt I have. Wow, you guys could have told me I wasn't holding it right in front of the camera. Thanks, guys. Anyway, but yes, this shirt means so much to me that we got Little Boat to sign it. Both of them, actually. Little Boat he's just so good. He's young. He can rap. The beats are fire. And he's also a really cool and chill dude. I even spoke to him. I asked him if he remembered me from when I saw him about a year ago. He was like, no, he didn't remember me. But he was like, but that's what's up. So, you know, he's real cool. He's real chill. So, definitely. But now, I'm going to go get that Off-White belt that I was telling you guys about. I had already took it out of the original packaging because I was actually just looking at it for myself. Yes, let's get into it. I had actually already worn the belt since you guys have seen it, but you're gonna have to just let me rock. Alright, so first, the bag, Off-White. You can see it, specially made for Off-White New York, 51 Mercer Street. This is the location of the empty gallery. We have that on this side. Right now here we just have basically the same thing. A receipt, a green receipt. This is the bag that it came in. So, you know, when you buy your Off-White belts, industrial belts, make sure it comes in this bag. It is one size fits most, because, you know, that's how fat your mom is. But yes, one size fits most, not all, because, you know, your mama fat. I'm just kidding, your mama not fat, she pretty. But yes, we have this tag, we have the, I want to say this is rubber. But this is, we'll call it gel. So we have this gel, that Off-White. And we have this gel right here. Just says hashtag Off-White. Retro glow. I believe the same thing it says on the bag, actually. No. And these are just tags with instructions for taking care of your clothes. Definitely. But now let's get into the belt. This belt is actually very long. 200 centimeters, I believe. So right now, this belt is longer than my wingspan. It's a pretty long belt. But on the back side, we have this tag right here. It's very soft. But it has the Off-White signature look right there. And right now on the belt, it just says Off-White, 5,400 pounds, weight securing system. Yeah, so this is just basically the whole entire belt over and over and over and over again. At the end, we have, I want to say ceramic. This feels like a ceramic thing. But on here, you should be able to see it. It says, oh, it's blurry. Damn, y'all can't see that. Let's see if I can get it to zoom in. Damn. Well, we just gonna have to figure that out. But, or you can just take my word for it. But right now, it just says Off-White, and in quotes, it says belt. Yes, and over here, we have the same thing, Off-White, in quotes, it says belt. This is also ceramic. This is just like, you know, the ceramic. This is just basically the whole securing system for a belt. You know, some belts have, you know, holes. You stick the little thing through the hole, and, you know, it secures the belt. Same thing, you know, you just press the little button, insert the belt, and when you let go, it clamps on it, and voila, like magic. Thank God for simple inventions. But yes, I just wanted to, I do recommend buying this belt. It's a great belt. It's rad, awesome, whatever you want to call it, whatever you people say. Shiggy, a lot of people say. Woo! Y'all gonna be hearing that a lot. But yes, this is just the Off-White belt that I had copped. I just wanted you guys to see it. But the reason I wanted you guys to see it is because I do recommend you buy one. It was $217 after tax. So for those who got it, go get it. And for those who don't got it, don't trip. It's just a belt. Nothing serious. But yes, I just wanted to review all of this for you guys. So we'll actually take one more look. Oh, can't forget Kodi on the back. And, you know, we have our belt right here. Yeah, so overall, great day. Glad I was able to see Little Boat. Super glad that I was able to see Little Boat. That's just the best guy in the world. But yes, this is the end of this video. And puff out. I'll talk to my puffies later. Big puff out.